Alright, today we got us a Xbox One here. So this was brought by from another shop that sells that does repairs and sells used games and stuff like that, game consoles, old retro stuff. So I gotta go in there and get some Nintendo 64 games. I want to pick up a couple of them. So the repair shop states that they replaced the power supply with a brand new one. The label's all jacked up. So somebody's been in and out of this thing a couple times, it looks like. So we don't have to worry about messing up the label, right? That's poor removal of a label, if you ask me. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna test for some shorts. Yeah, I didn't hear no arcing, no popping. Oh. You guys hear that? Chirping noise? Sounds like an alarm going off. That's coming from the power supply, you guys. I've never heard that chirping noise. It's like a silent alarm going off type thing. Okay, we're gonna run Paul Daniels' awesome software he created for me for my meter. So Command D for diode mode. So we got our probes here. Should hear beep noise. So, do you think we have a short? We don't have a short. We're gonna check all the rails. Here goes my buddy that just honked, the paramedic. Johnny boy. What's up, Johnny? Rolling through the neighborhood saying hi. Alright, yeah, so that was me touching leads. Yeah, we have no short, you guys. That's ground. And that is some high readings, but alright, we're going to test to see if we're getting 12 volts out of this. I'm thinking his power supply is shot. He just got a faulty one. See, we heard the spark, which is strange. We didn't hear that before. Huh. Yeah, we're not getting the right readings out of here. Oh, I can hear it right now. Yeah, it's a bad power supply. That's what's wrong with it. I can hear it chirping right now. Let's see if we have a short over here on this one. It's possible. No. Now see, I don't know what that gray one is supposed to be ground. I don't remember. That's ground, and then the other side we're getting normal readings. I got that cable folded wrong right there. I got pressure on the cable. Alright, I'm gonna grab a new power supply. I believe this one's new. I have some that I gotta rebuild. I usually pick these up from Inner Gadgets. They're not too far away from me, so I usually get them shipped pretty fast. So a little shout out to Inner Gadgets. You don't need the fan, that's overrated. Alright, heard like a little arcing. We get a light? Hey or no? There we go. We got a light. Huh. So yeah, just a faulty power supply. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with my capture. Let me do the actual TV. Because you know the TV's monitors, they never fail. Might have to restart it too. Nope, there we go. I got a picture. Alright, so this is working. That's all it was, is a power supply. So he got sold a faulty power supply. Pretty boring video, but hey, simple fix. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching.